So we had talked about a topic on how do I see Bihar in 2030? In a span of 10 years, a decade, how do I see Bihar? There were some
Yes, ma'am.
students who had not made the presentation, so they will be given an opportunity today. So I would like to call Manish Kumar to make his presentation on how does he see Bihar in 2030. Yes, Manish.
Yes, ma'am. First and foremost, I will let's begin. Bihar is the best city. Yes, ma'am. Bihar is the best city uh, that state has been developed for the last few years. Bihar moving very fast area of the Bihar current in 163 area square. Comes on position about rank of Bihar 12th number of in India. According to population of according to population of 2019, the population of Bihar is said to be 11 crore. In the coming time, the population may increase a lot because Bihar fertility rate increases. That state is India highest high fertility rate in that economy is 3.4. Now, at present time, the GDP rank of Bihar is on the 12th position as India. Per capita income, one man, I am say about economic condition of Bihar. In current situation, Bihar GDP 13 point. Let's mm, yes, ma'am. Mean of according to 2019 GDP 5.1 lakh crore. Uh, मैम बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं लिखे हैं पर
मनीष अब कोशिश करो ट्राई
यस मैम लिख बोल देखते हैं बोलते हैं यस मैम
मनीष बोलो ना, अच्छा तो बोल रहे हो यार तभी से। बोलो बोलो।
अच्छा बोला, बोलो बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
motivated, do not be demotivated.
This way to collected Bihar economy through a culture 21 industrial no. We talk about infra project and mega project in Bihar. Uh, in government donate 53,000 crore rupees in Bihar. Uh, that is a big infrastructure that we make very.
मनीष ये टॉपिक से तुम हटक गए हो। टॉपिक ये है कि तुम कैसा देखते हो, पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस तुम्हारा, तुम्हारा फ्यूचर तुम सोचते हो, तुम देखते हो, तुम कैसा देखते हो। हाउ डू यू सी बिहार आफ्टर 10 years? ये कहीं कंटेंट थोड़ी तुमको मिलेगा। दिस शुड बी इनसाइड यू। कैसा हम देखते हैं, कैसा हम चाहते हैं, व्हाट विल बी द ड्रीम ऑफ योर बिहार। क्या कैसे देखना चाहते हो, क्या देखना चाहते हो बिहार में?
So many metro station uh, just like a dam on Kosi for line B's, some smart cities, just like and a big hospital that can help to leave the cancer. ओके मैम मैं नहीं प्रेजेंट कर पा रहा हूँ।
आपको सेकंड चांस मिला था, आप इसको आप समझे नहीं। में भी आपको करना है कि आपकी सोच क्या है। you have to talk about your future plan. How do I see Bihar in 2030? What changes do you want? Think about it, write down some points and work on this content. The Bihar of my dreams. Supposing you're given an essay to write, क्या लिखोगे तुम? जैसे इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चंस लोग पूछते हैं, वेयर डू यू वांट टू सी योरसेल्फ 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ? तो तुम अपने बारे में बताओ, तुम 5 साल में अपने आप को कहाँ देखना चाहते हो? मनीष, switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Where do you see yourself after 5 years?
In a big post.
तो उसी तरह से यू टॉकिंग अबाउट बिहार, बिहार को तुम 10 साल में कहाँ देखना चाहते हो? अब डू नॉट, इसको कंटेंट को ढूंढो मत गूगल पे, develop this content,
Yeah, develop a state.
develop this content, and then we'll talk to you again. Yes, Sanskar Pal.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, Sanskar, switch on your camera. Yeah, good. Now speak. Do not be nervous.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, class. Today I am giving a presentation on how do I see Bihar after 10 years in 2030. So let's see. I see Bihar in 2030 with more facilities and good employment. But at first, we know that we are in Bihar. In Bihar, has lots of population. So the government is, but in COVID right now, so in pandemic, you can see that the situation right now is not good. The condition of Bihar. So we are government try to with more facilities and like hospitals and increase the power of hospitals, because of hospital is now uh, is more essential in a days. And now I see we are in 2020 with good employment, and also try to improve the education system of Bihar, because the education of system of Bihar is not so good right now. It's good, but not metropolitan city. So I see Bihar like a metropolitan city, like with running the metros and with running the metros. I mean, ma'am, running the metros and with uh, mm, mhm.
Yes, hello.
Yes, ma'am. हेलो मैम, आवाज आ रहा है?
हाँ, yes, Sanskar. बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. With like I like to see Bihar in 2030. Also like comparison with other metropolitan city like Delhi and Lucknow, because they are very developed city. That's why I like to see, and I also want to see the more improvement of education system in Bihar. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, who else? Yes, who else? Nikita Kumari, did you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikita, you spoke. Akash Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhyas Gupta?
Ma'am.
Yes. Megha?
Yes, ma'am.
What yes, ma'am? Did you speak? Do you know the history of Bihar? And don't forget, we are talking about this Bihar. We are talking about the same place, the same Bihar that once gave India its most powerful dynasty. What was that? The most powerful dynasty? Can you trace back? Bihar once gave India its most powerful dynasty, the Mauryan dynasty. The powerful and the most richest, the richest, the Gupta dynasty. And here we're talking about the same Bihar. Okay? Bihar gave the best of Aryabhat.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to, when you're making a speech, you have to talk so much about Bihar. Yes, we are talking about this Bihar.
Yes, ma'am. Who gives
But
the
ma'am,
lecture on zero continued 2 days in
अभी ये
America?
बोल रहे हैं,
Aryabhat.
अभी बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है. I'm giving you the guidelines when you're making a speech, how stay connected to the topic. So, Bihar gave the best of Aryabhat, Valmiki, Buddha, Mahavir, Guru Gobind Singh. This is the same Bihar. And now we can say it is history.
Ashoka,
Exactly.
Samrat Ashoka.
People make history, you know. People make history. And those who make
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are a lot of names you can connect with Bihar. So you're talking about the same Bihar. You can talk about for hours and hours and hours about if you talk about people. So you have to be very positive about when you are when such topics are given to you. Like you have to be very positive. So at the moment, what does Bihar need right now? There are many people who harp. They go on saying that there is no growth. So in Bihar, nothing will happen. But this is the most happening place since the beginning. Isn't it? So, what are the things that Bihar needs at this point of time? Yes, Suyash Agarwal, can you come into a discussion? What does Bihar need at this point of time? Anybody? Kushi, Sanjali, anybody? Abhyas, get into
At
Ma'am,
this
medical
point,
hubs.
Yeah.
at this point, we first of all need to survive the.
Pandemic.
Yeah. So that is
Yes.
one thing.
First, we have to
Yes,
survive this pandemic. Then we
Madam,
will be
but
see our
we have
future.
also we have also improved the education system of Bihar.
And what should be kept under control minus the COVID-19? What else? To keep corruption, crime under control. Provide avenues for its own industries, infrastructure, and support agriculture, and optimum utilization of manpower. And this is quite true, you know. Bihar has got all the factors, all factors. It has all the factors required, whatever is required to overshadow other states. Yes, please join the conversation, discussion. Sanjali, Khushi,
Yes, ma'am.
please speak.
What needs Bihar in current scenario
Mhm.
in terms of crime rates? In terms of crime rates, government should have to prohibit some rules for the how to control the crime rates, and people who are just willing to stay, who are just willing to get out of from the house and wherever he wants to go and wherever he want to do, all managing police officers and traffic officers are on road in the current situation for asking where are you, where are you going, and just prohibit. And it is the evidence that people should mention if the necessary things are significant, so if they could get out from home and police get informed what's the main reason behind he stood still not stay at home, that the covid pandemic also situation is in hand. If public maintain some hygiene and rules and regulation, and lack of upbringing
Follow the
towards criminal
protocol.
rates.
If you follow the protocol, things will be under control. Like if you maintain the COVID appropriate behavior, like if you maintain social distancing, so whatever is required to be done, if you do it, it will be under.
Yes, ma'am.
So here minus this, of course, the COVID protection, the survival is there, but then the other things are also there, which has to be under control. Like you talked about crime. Yes, Khushi, Sanjali, Abhyash Gupta, Akash Kumar, please join the conversation. Nikita, Sanskar Pal, please speak something about it.
Yes,
Speak
ma'am. I'm speaking.
about the manpower of Bihar. Like Bihar just needs 3 steps. What are these steps? Let us talk about support and agriculture and
Suresh, say
optimal
something.
utilization of manpower.
Suresh,
Don't forget,
say something about.
Bihar has all the factors required to overshadow other states.
Yes, ma'am.
Best of manpower. Biharis are aiding Punjab, Haryana, farmers there to become rich working in their land. They should be doing it here only. Similarly, they are providing manpower to industries all over India. These Biharis, they are all over.
Yes, ma'am. Overall, percentage of Biharis in every state of India in terms of wage, daily workers, doctors, etc., and frontline workers who
Hmm.
are not only serving in the state Bihar and as well as serving in the all state which is developing or developed.
So, Bihar has the best of soil and river and groundwater resources, best of mines.
But not in terms of mines. Jharkhand.
Check any government body of India. Bihar rules via bureaucrats all over India.
And also, ma'am, in also other
And
countries,
there's no exam
there are lots of
where
Biharis.
Biharis did not top. So they are brilliant. I think Suyash would agree with this. No, guys, please join the conversation. Sanskar,
Yes, man.
say
In
something.
physics,
Yeah,
chemistry, and maths, Bihari's arithmetical and quantitative approach is so good as compared to others state.
exactly. So what are we
But
lacking?
Yes, ma'am.
but
She says
lack
right.
of but lack of knowledge in English in terms of grammatical error and comprehensive comprehensive
These
things.
are what the learnable skills. You can learn these skills.
Roll number 19, say something.
Guys, please say something. I've given you some points. Take the thread from anywhere and start speaking.
Roll number 19.
Yes, Mr. Agarwal, please say something.
मैम आपने टॉपिक दिया था if silence is golden and words are diamond. उस पे मैम ऐसे
ठीक है. You want to speak on that? Speak.
वो इंस्पिरेशनल की था.
Yes, Anjali, please switch on your camera. Everybody, I see only Suyash with his camera on and Sanskar. And why the others, Manish? No, you're there. Okay. If silence is golden, good words are like diamonds. So who's going to speak on this? Yeah. Sanjali, you're speaking.
yes ma'am.
Yeah, speak.
Words have power and they can destroy and create. We can choose use it this force.
Sanjali, your voice is not clear.
Sanjay, your voice is very low.
Yes, sir. Continue. Hello.
Sanjali,
ma'am.
a
Sorry for
static
being late, ma'am.
conversation.
Sorry for being late, ma'am. Sometimes a single word can change everything, and kind words are like honey sweet and to the soul and healthy for the body. And we what right in our sponsored things that is quite simply life changing and it becomes powerful. And when I get sad, when I get sad, I read the letters that my res- responses send me, and I feel the power of God in the letters because what they say helps me to calm my emotions and see things from a different perspective. That the power of word. And ma'am, words are powered and words have energy and power with the ability to help, to heal, to hurt, to harm, or to humiliate, and to humble.
Exactly.
That's the summaries and precise of if the silence is golden and words are diamond.
Silent is golden, but good words are diamonds. So
Yes,
being
ma'am. Good word
quiet
are
is
diamond.
something beautiful. When you are in a church, when you're in a temple, when you're in a gurdwara, when you're in a hospital, you need to be quiet. But yes, there are places when you are supposed to be quiet, and there are places when a kind word, a good word, can do miracles. It can heal. It can motivate. It can inspire. It can bring a smile on somebody.
It can influence. Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. So the 7 golden rules of communication. I already have that content, and we'll discuss this in the next class. How do these words, continuing with the magic, the power of the magical power of the charismatic power of words. So the 7 golden rules of speaking, of communication, and why you should introduce this, why you should think this should be adapted. In your second semester, you have the 7 C's of communication.
In first semester, We
Yeah.
already.
Okay. The 7 C's of communication. Why don't you all do one thing? Make a PowerPoint presentation on the 7 C's of communication. Can anyone tell me what are the 7 C's of communication?
Ma'am, correct, conceive, concise, concrete, or
Please come again. Correctness.
correctness.
What do you mean by correctness? Explain correctness in communication.
Try to improve the words without any hesitations.
Now, I would like to know the 7 C's of communication. What is the importance of correctness? Hello? Khushi?
Yes, ma'am. Correctness.
What is
Uh,
correctness is communication?
Ma'am, if the word is not correct, then the meaning is not clear now. In the point of grammatical view, the communication should be correct.
Yes? When you are when you're writing something, or when you are speaking, when you're giving a speech, or when you're writing a business mail, correctness
Then it is
matters
important.
hugely. Whatever you're writing,
Yes,
be
ma'am.
correct. If you want
It
to
also help.
Yes, if you want to make an impact, the importance of correctness in communication, whether it's written or oral,
Yes, ma'am.
it has its own importance. Whatever you write, make sure you are writing it correctly. So many people have got this idea that in speaking you don't need grammar. But this is not true. Grammar comes all by, it happens. We listen to people. Of course, there are some rules you have to follow. But then, did you ever learn Hindi grammar?
Yes, ma'am.
But you have learned so much of English grammar, right? But you are speaking English, Hindi. But why are you so particular about English? The rules are only there for making you aware of the facts and for you to gain confidence. Because if you know the grammar and when you start speaking, you'll be confident. Okay, I know the rule and I'm not going to make mistakes. I would ask each one of you to think about it, and we'll discuss the 7 C's of communication and what are the importance. Correctness means correctness. Writing, it should be correct. No error. Whether you're speaking or writing.
Ma'am, can we use the correct fact and right use of
Everything that
language?
falls under correctness. The correct format, things which are correct, all the do's, everything which is correct, which has to be taken into account, shall be used. Right. So we'll discuss the 7 C's of communication and discuss each part of it in detail. So today was the grammar class, but then that's okay. The grammar class will be taken up in the next class. But then these things are important. And one thing is really important. Do not wait for it's too early. It's never too early. You need to converse. You need to discuss the group discussions. Everybody should put in his or her thoughts, isn't it? Unless and until you indulge, you can never learn. You learn by doing. If something is new, you will learn it. It's not that, and don't tuck it away. It is too early. I'm only the first sem, so I've got a long way to go. It will happen. No, time is now. Do it now. Don't wait for next semester, the final semester. If you work in your communication skills, if you work on your communication skills, you will never have problems. The best way to get ahead, is to get started. Only if you start, you will move. Okay? Now please stay back for your attendance.